Welcome to your Adult Care Worker Apprenticeship. To help you get started, let's take a closer look at what your journey will entail. As part of your enrollment, you will have already completed initial assessments and skill scans. These assessments help us understand your current level of knowledge and skills, allowing us to tailor your learning experience to your specific needs and future goals. The final step in the enrollment process is to attend your first day in learning workshop. This workshop is your initiation into the apprenticeship program, where you will engage in activities with your peers and learn about essential topics, such as safeguarding and British values. It provides you with a platform to connect with your fellow apprentices and understand the learning environment. The activities and discussions in this workshop will set the stage for your exciting journey. Your apprenticeship is enriched by our highly interactive and engaging e-learning modules, which are the primary source of knowledge on your learner journey. Each month, you'll immerse yourself in these dynamic online modules, offering you the flexibility to learn at your own pace. These modules go beyond traditional teaching methods, incorporating a wide array of resources, such as videos, quizzes, practical exercises, case studies, and hands-on activities. They are designed to make learning not only informative, but also exciting and applicable to real-world situations. All these modules are accessed via your Bud account. Alongside these monthly e-learning modules, you'll also have access to resources to support your preparation for endpoint assessment, diploma assessments, and a mental health module. Once you have completed your monthly e-learning module, you'll then attend a 2-hour online workshop with your fellow apprentices. These interactive sessions provide the perfect opportunity to delve deeper into the subjects you've covered in your e-learning. In these sessions, you can participate in discussions, group activities, and work on practical exercises with your peers and workshop tutors. Through your e-learning and workshops, you'll be developing a wide range of skills, which are all seamlessly integrated into your learner journey. Group workshops are an excellent opportunity to share knowledge and experience, as well as develop communication skills, which are vital for your endpoint assessment. The next step in your monthly learning is completion of the consolidation activities. These assignments help solidify your understanding of the topics you've covered. You'll apply what you've learnt so far through a variety of tasks. These might include practical assignments, case studies, and projects. These activities will all be included in your portfolio of evidence for both your diploma and the standards of your apprenticeship. As soon as you start your e-learning modules, you'll be able to access the consolidation activities to start working on them straight away. You'll be able to record off-the-job training hours for all your time spent on these activities, as well as your e-learning and workshop time. Throughout your apprenticeship, you'll have regular one-to-one meetings with a dedicated personal tutor. They will offer guidance, answer your questions, and provide support tailored to your unique needs. These experts have a wealth of knowledge and experience within the industry. During your meetings with them, you'll work together to plan assessments, check on your progress, and meet with your employer. Your employer plays a crucial role in supporting you during your apprenticeship. They will provide guidance, opportunities for practice, and ensure you have the necessary resources to excel in your role. Your personal tutor will complete workplace observations while you're on program. These observations will be planned out with you in detail beforehand. The first will take place between month 3 and 6. The observations could cover a range of activities, from day-to-day duties, health and safety checks, to team meetings. Your personal tutor is the first contact for any questions you might have, or support you may need. Functional skills cover the practical everyday skills that are important to our professional roles. In your industry, they are indispensable, contributing significantly to your effectiveness. Effective communication and precise documentation are the cornerstones of our work, and a strong command of English is central to achieving these objectives. It enables us to convey ideas, add to care plans, and maintain professionalism in all our interactions. Maths plays a critical role in our job responsibilities. Maths skills are essential for monitoring individuals' care, timekeeping, and medication management. They are essential for sound nutritional planning and record keeping. As part of your enrollment process, you've already completed initial and diagnostic assessments for functional skills. Your personal tutor will evaluate the results of these assessments and use them to assign specific resources and guided support, particularly in areas where you might have identified weaknesses. You'll have access to a huge amount of resources on your BKSB account, as well as videos and skills checks on Bud. You can also book onto group workshops covering every topic. It's essential to recognize that as you progress, you might be required to undertake Level 1 or Level 2 assessments, which are planned for completion around month 6 of the program. If so, you'll need to complete them before going to Gateway and completing your endpoint assessment. Even if you are exempt from sitting the final tests for Maths and English, you will still have the opportunity to develop your skills and have access to our wide range of resources. In the first 10 months, you will work towards completing a Level 2 diploma in care. This diploma provides a solid foundation for your career. It covers essential topics and skills that are necessary for working with adults within any setting. The diploma consists of 19 units. Some of these are mandatory and others have been carefully pre-selected. Essential skills and knowledge are covered in the mandatory units of your diploma. Skills such as safeguarding, health and safety, personal development and communication, duty of care and equality and diversity. The further pre-selected units will cover a wider range of knowledge and skills, supporting development within any work setting. These include team effectiveness, support for care plan activities, sensory loss, infection control and prevention, pain and discomfort support, and positive risk-taking. This diploma complements your KSBs that you'll develop and evidence for your EPA, where you'll be able to expand on this foundational knowledge further, using examples of best practice from your own setting and specific job role. You'll need to complete your diploma in order to go through to Gateway. You'll find more information and guidance on the diploma and assessments you'll complete on Bud. This is where you will find a comprehensive overview document that is available for you to access from your first day in learning. As you approach the end of your apprenticeship, it's time to prepare for your endpoint assessment. To check you are ready, you'll first have your Gateway meeting with your employer and trainer. Gateway is the door between the apprenticeship training and endpoint assessment. And it's during this meeting that you'll discuss your knowledge, skills, and behaviors to check you are ready. The EPA assessment for your qualification consists of a situational judgment test and a professional discussion, which will be completed by an independent assessor. This comprehensive evaluation ensures you are fully prepared for your career. We'll provide you with plenty of support in preparing for these assessments, and your personal tutor will run practice assessments with you, ahead of the real thing. Upon successfully completing your apprenticeship, you will receive a nationally recognized qualification, marking your readiness for your career. This qualification demonstrates your expertise and equips you with the knowledge, skills, and practical experience to make a positive impact on the lives of individuals in your care. In this structured journey, your tutors and mentors are here to support you at every step. If you ever have questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to reach out. We're dedicated to helping you succeed in your apprenticeship.